Find the LCM of 6, 8 and 12 using the prime factorization method. Please follow the below steps so that you will not make any mistakes. Step 1. Find the prime factorization of each given integer individually. Let us find the prime factorization of 6. Start dividing 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 6 exactly, we get 3. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. Finally, collect all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2 and 3. So, prime factorization of 6 is 2 multiplied by 3. Let us find the prime factorization of 8. Start dividing 8 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 8 exactly, we get 4. Again, start dividing 4 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 4 exactly, we get 2. Observe, 2 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 2 divides 2 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. So, prime factorization of 8 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now, let us find the prime factorization of 12. Start dividing 12 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 12 exactly, we get 6. Again, start dividing 6 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides 6 exactly, we get 3. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1. Stop here since 1 is reached. So, prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Got it? Step 2. Identify all the distinct prime factors among the given integers. Observe, in this case, the distinct prime factors are 2 and 3. Step 3. Identify the maximum occurrences for each distinct prime factor. Observe, 2 occurs in the prime factorizations of 6, 8 and 12. But it occurs more times in the prime factorization of 8. So, we take 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 as its maximum occurrences. Observe, 3 occurs in the prime factorizations of 6 and 12, but it occurs the same number of times in both. So, we can take 3 from either prime factorizations as its maximum occurrences. Step 4. Multiply all the prime factors using their maximum occurrences. Therefore, LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 gives you 24. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe and watch the playlists below from beginning to end.